Nature is in the most difficult place it's been for a very long time in this country, and it's really important that now with the changing climate that we're going to be experiencing, increasing rainfall and summer droughts, that we make the forest resilient and able to tolerate and respond positively to these environmental challenges. My name's Rob, I'm the Forest Waters Manager for the Forest of Dean. We've had the beavers in this particular site since May 2024. Beavers are a species that take up what's a relatively small area, but because of what they do, because of the dams they build and because of the wetlands and pond systems that they create, they have quite a large impact. It sort of functions a bit like a snack bar and a watering hole for the wider landscape. You know, we've got to be realistic about the gains that we can expect to see this early on, but we've been carrying out some close monitoring with wildlife cameras, and we've already seen a range of species that will benefit from beavers. We've seen herons fishing, we've seen kingfishers fishing, we've seen some of our pine martens venturing through the site. Volunteers have been a really important part of this project from day one, really, from preparing the site for beavers, clearing the fence line, planting willow that's going to grow on to become food for beavers, but now, very importantly, checking the fence line. So we need to make sure the fence is intact, trees don't fall on it, or if they do, they get picked up early, and repairs can be made as soon as possible. We have to keep beavers enclosed, and that's the same for all releases in England at the moment. If beavers are left to expand across the forest, I expect I'll be out of a job, because they'll be doing a lot of the positive work that we're trying to do as part of the Forest Waters project. We'll have intact wetlands, a reduction in the flood risk that would otherwise be high as a result of climate change. You know, we have a thriving ecosystem surrounding the beaver ponds and the beaver wetlands. Whenever you plant a tree, you're shaping the future over the course of the next 50 or 100 years. It's the same with beavers. These beavers are hopefully going to be the seed of potentially future wild populations across the Forest of Dean. So hopefully I'm going to be able to come back here in 50 years, maybe if I'm lucky, and see the great-great-great-grandchildren of the beavers that we released.